Today we're cooking pizza on the grill. Can you do it? How's it turn out? We'll talk about the steps and show you the results. Let's get started. Pizza on the grill is always a great thing, but particularly in the summertime when it's hot, the air conditioning's running, the last thing you want to do is fire up the oven and ramp your air conditioning up through the roof, literally. I like to grill pizzas outside and keep my air conditioning bill low. You can do it with briquettes, but gas is a lot more practical. Control it a lot better. Let's talk about the tools. You'll need a grill, doesn't matter what kind. Having a temperature dial on there is very helpful. You want it about 500 degrees. Pizza peel about the size of your stone is good. This is a 16-inch stone. I like to fire up 3 of the stations on the grill, and then once I've gotten up to 500 degrees, I'll shut one of the stations off and then just go with 2 in the middle to keep this pizza stone going. I just got a pizza steel, and that'll be a separate video posted soon, or it's available now, depending on when you're looking at this video, to see which works better, pizza stone or pizza steel. And then a pizza peel, whether you want a wooden one, it's nice, and that's good, and just right under there and slides it off. It's a little less friction than this, but this is more of a traditional approach. If you don't have a pizza peel, you could use metal spatulas. Those will work. This is about $13. This is a little more, I think. And these are a couple dollars a piece. You want to stay away from the plastic or Teflon spatulas. They're just going to melt, or you're going to have problems with them. Go with metal. I'll have all of these options posted down below in case you're interested. This setup works great for store-bought pizzas, you know, the frozen kind, or the ones you can get in the deli section of most stores, or make your own. It's even better. So we're right around 500 degrees, moving up a little bit. So we'll turn the knobs down just a tad to control the level of heat, and put pizza number 2 in the grill, stone only. Start this timer and see how long it takes. We're at 10 minutes. Let's see how we're doing. Not sticking at all. But the great thing about it, even if it was sticking, because when I first put it in there it was sticking, I don't have to do abdominal surgery and have to dig in underneath the top to get to it. So I can just turn it around like that. So we'll put it in for another 5 minutes and I think we're done. Right around 16 minutes, let's check it out. Oh, much better. Bottom looks good. Now that's a pizza. This is pizza number 2 going in on the stone. Bigger, better, hopefully not sticking. Start the timer for about 15 minutes. The temperature does go down every time you open it up, but it will climb right back up again. Put on 3 burners to heat it up, and once I got up there around 450, 500 degrees, I maxed out on 2 burners. 18 minutes in, let's see what we got. Now that's a pizza. Bottom looks good, nice and crusty, moves around really easy. We'll take it out and serve it up. Make sure everything's cool. This is actually the next day. Got little bumps like that. Take a spatula and carefully scrape them off. Take a wet, damp paper towel. You can dedicate a dishwashing cloth. I like this with the mesh on one side. But paper towels are fine. You don't want to re-season or anything and just pick it off like that. You might have to go into the grill and get where there was a little bit of cornmeal or whatever. It's that easy, and then it's ready for next time. Thumbs up and comments, always appreciated. Thanks for watching. If you like all sorts of culinary test runs, making and breaking things, designs of all kinds, I even do costumes, cosplay, and props. Check out my channel and please subscribe, because you never know what foods you might see.